Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter stuck at queue such as stuck at 2, stuck at 6, stuck at 7, stuck at 23, stuck at 27, stuck on 69 or stuck at any number. Then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix to cancel queue and accept terms. So I got stuck at 18 for 5 minutes or so. I clicked on cancel queue and it gave me a accept terms screen, and then I accepted it and then I was able to get in after that in the game. So you can try this trick and see if that helps or not. If not, then fix 2 is to restart the game. So simply close the game and then relaunch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you can also restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to try to launch the game multiple times. So when you got stuck at a queue, then close the game and then try to relaunch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again close the game and again restart the game and check. You might not get successful at first attempt. You have to try multiple times and check. So at present, these are the only fixes available that you can try to fix the Mistfall Hunter stuck at queue problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.